Alright, October 18th, 2023, Tyler Hayes here, 2105. Northbound Woodtick of the L563 is 81 of the 18th this year. Check them out on the roll by. P5's I hear on that. Must have got a new set of horns. 429 again. 426 right second. Liquid propane tank loads for 519 to handle. Last bid is CTC X137608. And a train device is going. And that is going to do it for the northbound Woodtick of the L56381 of the 18th as it gets ready to do set outs at Ladysmith Yard before continuing north to its destination of Stone Lake. How about that? New set of horns for the 5429. Since the last time I've seen it. Amazing. So I thank you guys for watching. You have a great night. I will see you next time, and I will see you along the main line. From Ladysmith, Tyler Hayes out.